students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So the 10th question is, write the degree of the polynomial g of p is equals to 7p to the power 4 minus 2p to the power 3 plus 3p to the power 2 plus p minus 3. So degree of the polynomial is nothing but greatest power of the variable. So variable here is p. So greatest power of p is 4. So greatest power of p is 4. So 4 will be our degree of the polynomial. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.